Somebody was going to order different lighting patterns for ioniq9. So into the BlueLink app, into the store. BlueLink store opens up. And then you go looking for the product that you want. In this case, when we scroll downwards, we ended up finding lighting patterns. Do a monthly subscription or lifetime use. So we're going to go for lifetime use. 65 quid. Purchase. So it's given different lighting patterns on the car. Pay now. Place an order, confirm, terms of use, all that kind of stuff. So just confirm that stuff, and then it's going to ask you for payment details. Ask you to agree to Hyundai Pay. Okay, that's something new. Confirm. So the car we're trying to put it on is this ioniq9 here. Tom and Mary. Trying to improve it. Excellent customers. Since what, 2016? 2016? That was the first one, Honda CR-V, yeah. Honda CR-V, Hyundai Santa Fe, Hyundai ioniq9. Anyway, so we're into order and pay, and once again we confirm. So it says your order is complete, and you got an order number, and you got the vehicle. It'll give you the chassis number, which I've just covered with the pen, and it tells you you've ordered the lighting patterns. And actually, good point, Mary, because it did say 15-day, so it looks like after complimentary period expires, after day 14, so the payment will be taken in 15 days. So you can use it for 14 days for free to see what you think of it first. So we move on to then the next one, which is ordered products, which is orders complete, and then we're waiting for installation. So I'm going to try that in the car. So bear with me on this because it's the first one I've done, and so this is not very professional. So technically I should be able to get into their car now. Start. And I should be able to go into setup, I should be able to go into vehicle, I should be able to go into lights. Interesting. These purchase features are ready to be installed. The installation will start when the vehicle is turned off. So we're going to turn off the car. That just came up. I didn't do anything. It just actually came up. So we'll turn off the car. So now I've turned off the car. It's asked me to update now. It takes 1 minute. So update now. Vehicle cannot be used during the installation. This is cool. So it says it's installed, and it also has a QR code. So I'm assuming if I start the car again, and it gives me a settings cog of, okay, so it tells you over here, so it's in lights, lighting patterns. I can have shining. Oh, okay, that's kind of cool. I can have spread, I can have ceremony, electric wave, boat. That's mad. That's so cool. Right, just to go back in and manipulate this, I presume we're going into settings or setup, and then we're going back into vehicle, and then we're going into lights, and then we're going into light pattern. So that's fairly straightforward. And then code, spread, all these different ones. Yeah, so that's pretty easy to find. Now, here's the thing, how do we activate it? So activation of it basically is you need to get out of the car. So when the ignition is turned off, the tail lamps and the headlamps, or the headlamps will turn off after 15 seconds, and that's probably where you'll see the light pattern. So let's just pick one for a sec, something that's going to be pretty obvious. Now remember, in Ireland we don't have the centre section. You only get the headlamps. So some of what you'll see in some other countries, they do get LEDs all the way along here, but in Ireland we don't. Okay, car off. Wave at the headlamp. Let's turn off the car and go to the back. The resolution might be difficult on the back. Oh, I missed it, did I? So it is happening. I just can't get out of the car fast enough. So when the people were here, I just obviously they I don't want to be holding them up all day either. So it says 15 seconds, but by the time I got out of the car and got to the front or the back, it seemed to have gone. But just to show you on this one here, there is a standard kind of pattern on them anyway. So if you can see the way there's a bit of a kind of a swoosh along like that. And then on the rear, you've got kind of a similar pattern as well. So they're the standard patterns, but once they had bought the app, then you can see they can go in and manipulate them to be different patterns. So what we're seeing in Ireland, I suppose, is in some countries, they'll get lots of stuff happening along here, but in Ireland, we're just seeing the end of the movement up along through here. So it's not quite as dramatic as it would be in some of the other countries with the centre section. But it's still a pretty cool feature.
Sorry. Use it for about 1 second.
I can't get to the back of the car.
Huh?
I just can't get to the back of the car in time to do it, yeah. So it only does it for a second anyway. But anyway, that's how you do it. So give you an idea. Thanks.